my actual office. It's not, it's not a background. Then I have 2 BX awards. I'm going to make my finger go the right.
Okay. We can only just see them. I cut off my screen because we're squared off, but I can see one of them.
Yeah. I have two BX awards in my office.
Oh, I love it. You've done very well through the awards programs. You've won awards. You've been finalist many times as well. You're a serial award entrant, and I'm a big fan of awards programs. Been in a bunch myself as well. And as you know, the value is just so high from an instant credibility and positioning perspective with potential clients and with your current clients. It really helps you stand out amongst the pack with your competition as well. And so I love the awards program. It's why we started the BX Business Excellence Awards program. I think we're in our I've been running awards actually. I've run awards since probably 1999 was the first awards program that I ran, and I ran it when I was working corporately. I ran a company that had 40 Video Easy stores. And so what I do is I do store manager of the year and store of the year and team member of the year and most improved store. So we do that every year, and we do it on an awards ceremony, and it was pretty fun because we're a movie industry as well. So we used to do a very red carpet kind of theme. And we do it at the end of the year for the Christmas party and that as well. So it was a double up. And then when I went out in my own businesses and had my own stores, I did the same thing again with the cafes and Subways and the video stores there. And when I went to BX, I'm like, well, we might as well do it for our groups. And so I had Group of the Year and Team Leader of the Year and all that sort of stuff. And at the same time, we launched our Business Awards program and ran the same thing. So we've been running them now for like 20 odd years, different awards programs. But the BX Business Excellence Awards, this is our 10th awards program. And like last year we had the event at the Shangri-La in Sydney, the year before at the Star on the Gold Coast. We're back at the Shangri-La again this year, but the actual awards program has kicked off on the 1st of April. It ends on the 1st of June. So a 2-month window to enter. So people should definitely jump onto bxnetworking.com and enter themselves into the awards program, or nominate someone who's an outstanding business in the awards program as well. It's about recognizing outstanding businesses. It's about recognizing the value you've contributed and the hard work you've put into your business and learning about your business through the program. But most importantly, showcasing your business as a finalist or a winner and positioning yourself through all of the incredible social media presence and the website presence that we give you through our awards program. It costs you nothing to enter. It's something we do to add value to the small business sector. And we normally get 2,000-3,000+ entries in the campaign. And we have about 500 finalists and about 50 winners. So got to be in it to win it, but the value is super high. So, but such a great way to position yourself and your business, I tell you.
And I think, and I know you said that I'm a serial award winner, but I probably do maybe 2 or 3 a year, which over 5 or more years kind of builds up. But I do feel like I should do more. And the thing that I love most about entering the awards is that there's lots of questions that really challenge what your business structure is. So, what is your financial plan? Have you got a marketing plan? Have you got a business plan? Have you got, what have you got in place for your staff and for your employees? And so it really, every time I do one, it makes me think about the structure that I have and the processes and systems that we've got in place. And it does help me improve each time I do it. So it's a great way of getting some recognition for what you're doing as well. But it is, it's kind of the discipline of making sure that you have all of those business processes and all of that kind of stuff set up. It also, when you talk about winning and having awards and things, reminds me, I guess, when you are in a business, we have this app that I came across recently called Bonusly, because everybody likes to win something. And this app we use in our business it's like a peer-to-peer recognition platform where everybody in the team can thank somebody else in the team for doing something. So if you see that somebody if you hear someone was on the phone and they did a really great call, or somebody made a sale or whatever, jump on Bonusly and give somebody points. And so everybody will give everybody points, and you put little funny gifts and stuff in, and that's great. It's such a great way to reward the team as well. So like levels of rewards, and at the end of the month, if you haven't used your points, you lose them. So everyone is encouraged to share their points among the team, and then with your points you buy stuff. So like one of our team members just used her Bonusly points to pay for 2 days accommodation in Canberra. So,
wow,
yeah,
that's so
really
cool. I love it. Yeah, it's so important. I think we don't do enough to recognize the contribution of people like ourselves, our people, our team. So I love hearing stories like that when, and I've always, I've admired the way you've run your business and grown your business. I love hearing stories like that where, this stuff is great.
It does. It really builds up the team spirit, and nobody says anything horrible to anybody else on the platform. It's all just encouragement. So if something bad happens,
that's right.
But it's just, it's all really lovely things that people are saying about, thank you for supporting me on this call, and thank you for doing this. And I heard this happened, and I get points too. People give me points for things.
I love it. It's such a good muscle to flex too, right? So the gratitude, I don't think we do it enough. So it's such a good muscle to flex.
Yeah. Okay,